Hey guys, Stahly from Tale of Painters here with a short news update. Games Workshop will stop producing Corax White spray paint and replace it with the new White Scar spray, and that's already happening in a few weeks when the 25 new contrast paints and the revised shade paints are released. For those who don't know, Corax White spray isn't actually a true white spray, but a very light grey like Corax White base paint. The new White Scar spray, on the other hand, is a true white. In addition, like Wraithbone and Grey Seer, it has been designed with contrast paints in mind, which means it has a slightly smoother finish, which improves the flow properties of washes and contrast paints, but also provides slightly less adhesion for regular acrylic paints. Here you can see the difference between White Scar and Corax White spray. I also realize why Games Workshop is replacing Corax White. Many people have asked for a true white primer, and many of the 25 new contrast paints are very vibrant, and a pure white base coat will really help to give these colors a boost. Here's a cool boy I painted with the new shade and contrast paints over White Scar primer, and you can see how much the new magenta contrast paint pops on his shield. Nevertheless, I will miss Corax White spray, and it's sad that we couldn't keep both. The almost white grey was really unique, and I couldn't find a similar spray paint with any other manufacturer. I actually loved using it for contrast work because even it is not as smooth as Wraithbone or Grey Seer primer, if you made a mistake you could easily touch it up, as Corax White base paint has a very high opacity and often only needs 1 or 2 coats to cover. Grey Seer base paint works also well in this respect, but with Wraithbone base paint you often need several coats to touch up mistakes, and it won't be any better with White Scar layer paint, I can tell you. So if you're going to miss Corax White as much as I do, now's the time to get some more cans and store them in a well-tempered and dry place. Let me know in the comments what you think is better, a true white primer like White Scar, or have you grown to love Corax White too? I hope this helped you out, and if you liked the video, give me a like and subscribe, and feel free to check out my other videos like my detailed review of the new shade paints here on the right. Thanks a lot and happy hobbying!